How's it going, everybody? My name is Chris Chamberlain. I'm here with MoveStrong today to show you how to beef up your forearms and get the grip strength necessary to get your Ninja Strong career started. So to start, we're going to start here on the rings. And with the rings, the most important thing is get your hands nice and tight and overlap your thumb over top of your index and middle finger and start with straight dead hangs. Once you get your dead hangs, once you get your grip strength strong enough to hold on for an extended period of time, you want to start moving into scapular shrugs. Scapular shrugs are going to help you build up the back muscles to be able to start doing pull-ups. Once you get the back strength from the scaps to progress into pull-ups, the rings are going to be the first thing you want to start on to get your grip strength nice and strong. The second tool we're going to move to are the twist grips. And the twist grips are going to force you into a false grip. And the false grip is where you have your forearm bent at the wrist. When you keep that forearm bent at the wrist, it's going to engage the forearms. Then you'll progress into pull-ups to strengthen your forearms and down into your arms and back. Next up, we're going to come over here to my Cobra Grips. Cobra Grips, again, are going to be just a false grip. You're bending that wrist, pushing that index finger forward and pulling the pinky back. Work at starting with your dead hangs, go into the scapular shrugs, and then progress into pull-ups. Last but not least, we'll move on to the hanging globes. Now, the hanging globes, the reason we practice that false grip is so that once we get here, we can keep our fingers on top of the ball at all times. Once you keep that nice false grip, it's going to be able to keep your grip strength nice and strong. Work on your dead hangs, progressing into scapular shrugs, and then into pull-ups. Once you get the grip strength down for the small balls, you want to move up to the larger 6-inch diameter balls. Again, start with a dead hang, move into scapular shrugs, and then pull-ups. Last but not least, we have the 10-inch diameter ball. And then you want to grab on with one or both hands. Both hands are going to be recommended. And work, again, using that false grip to keep the fingers on top and crank out those pull-ups. Again, have a good day.